so grateful to SME and the local team here, as they really do help us in every way.
The support we are offered is endless, from the application process to settling in Thessaloniki. The SME manager supports us throughout.
As an applicant from the UK, SME made the process easy for me. I received an email about all the necessary documents needed, and the team translated and legalised everything for me and submitted the documents to the university on my behalf. During the waiting time, SME was always in contact with me, assuring me about the whereabouts regarding my application process. The SME portal was very helpful, and I was able to find information on how to prepare for the entrance exams as well as the interviews. There was also other general information regarding the accommodation and residence permit. I was very fortunate that SME offered me a very detailed consultation when applying to Aristotle. They took into consideration my preferences and made sure that my qualifications made me eligible to study here.
SME also provides us with academic advisors, which we are very grateful for. They are always there for us in case we would like to consult with them, and will support us even until after we graduate.
I arrived in Thessaloniki and SME offered to send a vehicle to pick us up from the airport, which is really reassuring. I was greeted by the city managers and taken to the hotel that SME had booked for us. The following day, we were given an introductory briefing about university life and life in Greece, as well as being given SIM cards. I also met some local real estate agents who helped me in finding a good apartment. The next day, we were taken to the university for a short tour around the campus, followed by registration, and then I was taken to a bank to open a bank account. The entire registration process was made very easy for me thanks to SME.
I've been living in Thessaloniki for 2 years now, and it's honestly one of the best places that I've ever lived in. It's very culturally rich and there's so much to do, from beaches to clubs, and the food is amazing.
Living in Thessaloniki is amazing. It's such a beautiful city with so much to do, and it has lovely weather most of the year.
The course is great as it includes clinical opportunities from the first semester, alongside lectures given in the university amphitheatre. The professors are knowledgeable and incredible at delivering the lessons.
I find the course to be challenging at times, but overall really interesting and rewarding. In first year, we do wider topics such as medical physics and informatics, which most UK universities do not offer.
We have a lot more interesting subjects such as embryology. We're also very fortunate to be given access to cadavers, which I know a lot of universities in the UK don't offer.
I think the most difficult part about relocating is adapting to a new culture, but as long as you utilise the help that SME offer and go in with an open mind, you'll be fine.
The move for me was not difficult at all, as SME was with me every step of the way.
Overall, the process of integrating into the city has been great, with the best thing being able to meet people from all over the world and build friendships with them. The diversity of the students truly amazed me.
I think the best part is knowing you have an edge and a unique experience to any other medical students studying in your home country.
For me, the best part of the experience was meeting new people from different backgrounds and cultures. Also, Greece is such a beautiful country, and Thessaloniki is within close proximity to a lot of islands.
Studying medicine abroad is a great opportunity, as you learn a new culture and different people in a new and fun environment.
I would 100% recommend coming to Greece to study medicine. It is a beautiful country, and the birth of modern day medicine started here. So it's such a privilege being able to learn in Greece, where the roots of medicine started.
If you're thinking of studying here, I would say definitely go for it if you know medicine is something you want to do. Studying abroad offers such a unique experience and such a range of opportunities.